Hey everybody, this is my Lowe's tool hack. Last week they had, you've got a two-piece kit, Dewalt 12 volt. You purchase this kit and you can pick a free tool. Now they had a choice of about 5 different tools that you could get for free. And I'm a Milwaukee guy actually, but I just so happen to have a 12 volt drill and sawzall from Dewalt. I almost purchased a 3/8 ratchet from Milwaukee, which was going to run about 180 bucks. I'm glad I didn't purchase it because I ran across this deal. Any two-piece kit, you can grab a free tool. Now this two-piece kit was only $200. This right here, tool only, was $179. So here's my receipt right there at the top. 3/8 ratchet. Discount each, $179. So it rang up as 0. And then at the bottom, we've got the 12 volt max two-piece combo. It's showing a price of $179.10, but that's because I used my military discount. So it was actually $199, and I got a discount of $19.90. Now, what I'm about to do, since I already have a charger and 2 batteries, I'm gonna go return this that I paid 180 bucks for, but I'm gonna get to keep the free tool. So let's see how this works.
Is this it? Always see him. What about this? Yeah. This is where I was trying to cut in. I'll let you sign that for me. I'm going to take that off and and my mind is different. Backwards. I can't get it situated. Okay. Oh. Hello. I'm counting back to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 20, 60, 80, 90, 110. And I can see it. Just want to get it back. And there's a at the bottom. Just you need this. Several different things. Thank you.
Bam, baby. Y'all see it? Come on, go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Just got refunded for the two-piece kit. Got refunded my $192. Got to get the tool for free. Okay, people, there you go. How to get a free tool from Lowe's. That's ethical. Kind of depends on perspective. I didn't break any rules.